Euroschool, the school for a bright future.
Pause. Farhan, how many days were you absent from the school this year?
But why are you asking?
I wanted to know that you are going to win the highest attendance award or not. So, ladies and gentlemen, I now request Veena ma'am back on stage to come and announce the results that we all have been waiting for. Veena ma'am, over to you.
Percent attendance goes to DRC Patel and Vansh Soni. And for grade 1B, Kavya Shah and Nand Patel. Kalpesh sir, if you could also be here. Sir, these are all 100% attendance. Over 203 days. Come this side. Sir, if you could also be here and honor them. Thank you, sir. For grade 2, Kavish Shah, Yagnadeep Ghagela, Tanisha Soni, and sorry, that's it for grade 2. Come on, all three of you. Okay, for grade 3, we have Kaustubh Suthar, Nathan Jacob, Pant Patel, Daksh Patel, Priyanshi Prajapati, Riya Naryani, Saina Patel, and Radhika Dad. My God, grade 3 are always present. Grade 4, Hardavi Yagnik and Princey Chopsy. Grade 5, Tejas Patel. Grade 6, Prapti Amin and Dhairya Patel. Grade 7, Pushti Patel and Shriji Patel. And grade 8, Karan Punjabi. Put your hands together for the highest attendance. Amazing work, and also amazing work for all the parents as well. Bhavisha ma'am, Kalkesh sir, Mittal sir, Bhartahari sir, if you could award them with this. Trophies, please. Himangini ma'am, Principal ma'am, if you could kindly award them with their trophy.
Tell us, did your parents wake you up early in the morning, or did you wake your parents up to say, I really want to go to school today? Who woke who up? Can you tell us? Shriji saying she woke her mother up every day, telling her, I want to go to school. We'll soon find out. Let's encourage them with your round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, well done. This is quite a big achievement. We hope that next year the stage will be filled with 100% attendance. Yes, especially with these done. So well done to each and every one of you. Put your trophies in the air. Put your trophies in the air and shout, yay. The trophy actually truly belongs to the parents as well. Okay, so half of it's yours. You shared it with your parents and you say thank you to them as well. Well done, kids. Okay, let's run off the stage. I request our dignitaries to kindly stay on the stage with us as we have a few more trophies to hand out. Himani ma'am, please stay with us. Thank you. Okay, now we have excellence in academics. This brings us to, sorry, I do apologize. We shall be having our best overall behavior. I'm jumping myself here right now. They say that when one acknowledges, the other is encouraged. For years, we have acknowledged the abilities and talents of a student, and this year we have seen outstanding results in the behavior of students. So, for the overall behavior award, as I shout your names, please run on stage from grade 1A. From grade 1A for best behavior, it is Japish Madan. From grade 1B, Kushi Amin. Come on, let's cheer for them. Best behaved child. From grade 2, Vansh Mahajan. The grade 3, Manan Patel. Grade 4, Mitwa Patel. Grade 5, Het Shah. Come on, let's cheer for them. Grade 6, Kali Pandya. And she's also a student council member. Grade 7, another student council member, Shreya Amin. And grade 8, Maitri Patel. Well done, all our best behaved kids. Congratulations. Thank you, sir, for awarding them their trophy. So I know you're behaving well all year through, but today you can be a bit loose and throw your trophies in the air and shout, yay. Chalo, all in the air, well done. Can we take a photograph of this? Thank you very much. Okay kids, off you go. Well done. Congratulations. Okay, now we will have the excellence in academics. Parents, let me inform you that when we say excellence in academics, it is based upon last year's academic results. Because as this year's results still have not been accumulated, as we have our summative assessment 2 exams still awaiting. So it's based on last year's results, but for grade 1, the excellence in academics is based upon the first terms, the FA1, FA2, and SA1's results, okay? So I'm sure all the parents are really excited for their kids' names to be announced, so I won't take much of your time. But please do cheer for them as each and every one of them comes on stage. From grade 1A, put your hands together for Jainil Talati. From 1B, Sachi Gupta. From grade 2, we have Kavish Shah. Grade 3, Gayatri Dalwadi. Grade 4, Anvi Talati. Grade 5, Preya Shah. Grade 6, Ishika Mahajan. Grade 7, Om Shah. And grade 8, Karan Punjabi. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Well done. Put your hands together for the excellence in academics. Keep it up for next year as well. Trophies in and shout as if you just don't care. Well done and congratulations. Kalpeshna, now this is the most important trophy, the House Trophy of 2015-16. All their points have been accumulated All their hard work have been put together and put into houses. So from Apollo House, Mercury House, Poseidon House, and Zeus House. According to my pages, it has that last year, I'm dropping pages as well, was Zeus House. Zeus House won last year. So as tradition, we need the old house captains to come on stage to present it to the new captains. So could we have Om Shah and Heer Patel of last year's Zeus House boy captain and girl captain to come on stage, please? Om Shah and Heer Patel. Okay, Kalpesh sir, would you like to give the honors and announce the house that has won? We'll just wait for Om and Heer to come on stage. Sir. Okay, we're going to have last year's Zeus House captains, Om and Heer, on the stage to give away the trophies. The best thing about this year is that we've seen a lot of sportsman spirit. Whichever house wins, the other three houses are always cheering even loudly for them and also promising themselves that next time bach ke rehna, because we are going to be on the stage. And I like that sportsman spirit, and that's wonderful that Bhavisha ma'am has also taught us. We have Heer and Om. Heer and Om, you were the last year's winning captains, is that correct, of Zeus House? Please come front. Today you will have to present the house trophy that you held to the new house captains, okay? Okay. So Kalpesh sir, if you could just announce the winning house. You sure you'll give it to them? Or do you want to keep it and take it home? You'll give it to them. Okay. Kalpesh sir.
Any guesses?
ZS.
Ma'am?
No, I have nothing to do in that.
Ma'am, GS? Let me see the page. Where?
Even I'm not written.
Prem? Prem and Heer. Come on stage, fast.
Okay, so the winning house goes to Zeus House, and their house captains is Prem Patel and Heer Patel. So Heer, you get the house back to yourself, but you have to do the official rating. So Prem, come on stage with your house. Come on, let's have the entire Zeus House on the stage. And stand next to the girl captain of Zeus House, Heer. Om, if you could kindly give your last year's. Heer, you can take this trophy, take the flag. Take this flag. All right. Om will give the trophy to this year's Zeus boy captain, Prem Patel and Heer Patel. And well done to all the ones of Zeus House. Well done, hip hip. Hip hip.
Euroschool, the school for a bright future.